Struggling with constipation? Feel like you're carrying around a traffic jam in your gut? Don't worry, you're not alone, and I've got some unexpected answers for you. Before we begin, please click that subscribe button below so you don't miss any future videos. Today I'm going to share 10 surprising foods that can clear up your constipation fast, and some of them might surprise you. Most advice you hear is the same: eat more fiber, but if you're tired of hearing that, this video is for you. I'm going to show you some lesser-known solutions that actually work. Let's start by understanding what's really going on. Imagine your colon like the exit ramp on a busy highway. If the ramp is blocked, the whole system gets backed up. That's what's happening when you're constipated. Waste can't exit, and the traffic jam causes bloating, discomfort, and even more serious health issues over time. But it's not just about bloating. Your digestive health impacts your entire body. Chronic gut inflammation can lead to serious health issues, like metabolic disorders, autoimmune problems, and even mood disturbances. So what you eat matters. That's why I'm going to share 10 powerful foods to help keep things moving naturally. And no, it's not just prunes and oatmeal. Let's dive into some real game changers. First up are berries. Whether it's blackberries, blueberries, or raspberries, these little fruits pack a punch. They're rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber, which softens your stool and helps it pass through the intestines faster. And guess what? 1 cup of raspberries gives you 8 grams of fiber. That's almost a third of your daily need. You've heard of prunes, right? But do you know why they're so effective? They contain sorbitol, a natural laxative that helps stimulate bowel movements. 1 cup of prunes has over 12 grams of fiber, making it one of the best natural remedies for constipation. Walnuts are more than just a healthy snack. They're loaded with fiber and omega-3s, which can actually lubricate the walls of your intestines, making it easier for stool to pass through. Chia seeds might be tiny, but they pack a serious punch. 1 ounce has almost 10 grams of fiber. They absorb water and expand, forming a gel that eases constipation and supports a healthy gut microbiome. Want more? Vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots are excellent sources of fiber. Brown rice is a whole grain that keeps your gut running smoothly. And oats, seriously, never underestimate a good bowl of oatmeal. Don't forget hot herbal teas like fennel and anise, which naturally stimulate digestion. And of course hydration, because without enough water, fiber can't do its job. Fiber is critical, but without enough water it's like trying to drive on a dry, dusty road. Hydration keeps things running smoothly, making it easier for waste to pass through your colon. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. If you've tried everything and still find yourself struggling with chronic constipation, consider talking to a dietitian. They can help create a personalized plan to keep you regular without relying on supplements. So there you have it, 10 powerful foods to keep your colon happy and your body healthy. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like the video, hit that subscribe button, and share this video with someone who might need it. A healthy colon means a healthier you. Thank you for watching and stay healthy.